to fall. Your warm embrace outshines it all. Every promise, every prayer reminds me that your love is there. No matter where tomorrow leads, your heart is everything I need. Every sunrise brings me near to the love I hold so dear. Love smiled on me the day we met, a moment my heart will never forget. Every kiss feels like the morning sun. Every day with you has just begun. Through every season, come what may, I'll choose your love every single day. Dance with me beneath the stars tonight. Everything feels so right. Leave behind the pain and fear. Our brightest days are waiting here. Like the ocean finds the sand, I'll forever hold your hand. No matter where this road may roam, your loving heart will be my home. Love smiled on me beyond my dreams, brighter than the moonlight beams. With every breath and every song, you've been my home all along. Until the stars fade from above, I'll always treasure our endless love. One heartbeat, one sweet rhythm, island breeze blowing, forever together, forever in love. The morning sun kisses the ocean blue. Every new day begins with you. Your gentle smile lights up my soul, making every broken piece feel whole. Like the breeze through the coconut trees, you bring my restless heart to ease. Every little word you softly say carries all my worries away. When the stars begin to shine, I'm thankful that your heart found mine. No matter where the road may run, you'll always be my chosen one. Forever my number one, my only love, a blessing sent from heaven above. You're the rhythm beating in my heart, a across the shore, making me love you even more. Every wave sings a sweet refrain, washing away yesterday's pain. If tomorrow brings another dawn, our love will keep on holding on. Hand in hand we'll face the years, sharing laughter, drying tears. Every promise that we made will never simply fade away. Love grows stronger every day, guiding us along the way. Forever my number one, my only love, a blessing sent from heaven above. You're the rhythm beating in my heart, a melody that never falls apart. Through every season, through every storm, your love will always keep me warm. Come and dance beneath the moon. The night always ends too soon. Hold me close and don't let go. You're the greatest love I'll ever know. The music flows like a gentle sea, bringing your sweet love back to me. With every breath and every kiss, you're the only dream I never want to miss. Forever my number one, endlessly, you're every beautiful part of me. When the sunrise fills the sky above, I'll still be wrapped inside your love until the final stars are gone. You'll forever be my number one. One heart, one rhythm, one forever, my only love, my number one. The evening breeze is calling your name. Every sunset feels the same. Golden skies and crystal seas, bring your sweet love back to me. From the first time our eyes met, you're the dream I won't forget. Every heartbeat softly knows you're the one my spirit chose. Hold my hand and stay a while, light my world with your gentle smile. Through every season, come what may, I love you more each passing day. Only you I choose, my love, like the the stars that shine above. Through every joy and every tear, I'll keep your heart forever near. No matter where tomorrow leads, your love is all my soul will need. The moonlight dances on the tide, while you are standing by my side. Every wave sings sweet and low, telling us what true hearts know. If the rain should start to fall, love will answer every call. Together we can face the night, holding on until first light. Every promise that we've made will never simply fade away. Our love grows stronger every day, like flowers reaching toward the rays. Only you I'll choose, my love, like the stars that shine above. Through every joy and every tear, I'll keep your heart forever near. No matter where tomorrow leads, your love is all my soul will need. Dance with me beneath the moon. Morning always comes too soon. Leave the worries with the sea. You're the only one for me. Every melody we share fills the silence in the air. Side by side we'll always be. Only you I'll choose for life. Through every blessing, every trial, when the sunrise meets the shore, I love you even more. Until the stars no longer shine, forever your heart will beat with mine. Soft island breeze, gentle melody, one heart, one love, forever you and me. Morning sunshine resting on your skin, like a brand new day about to begin. You carry grace in every smile you wear, a gentle light that's always there. Your laughter flows just like the sea, bringing peace and harmony. Every heartbeat knows your name. Nothing You shine with beauty from within, a love so pure, a soul so strong. Every step you take reminds me this is where my heart belongs. You're the queen of my heart tonight, glowing like the stars so bright, wrapped in love and dignity. You're the sweetest melody, hand in hand through every time, forever walking side by side. The evening breeze begins to sway, carrying all our dreams away. Your gentle touch calms every fear, making heaven feel so near. Even when the skies turn gray, your smile lights another day, like flowers reaching for the sun. Our hearts forever beat as one. Every promise, every prayer tells me love is always there, no matter where tomorrow goes. Our story only grows. You're the queen of my heart tonight, glowing like the stars so bright, wrapped in love and dignity. You're the sweetest melody, hand in hand through every time, forever walking side by side. Dance with me beneath the moon. Morning always comes too soon. Hold me close and don't let go. There's so much more for us to know. Every wave upon the shore makes me love you even more. Our hearts are strong, our spirits free. Together that's where we're meant to be. You're the queen of my heart always, lighting up my darkest days. Your love is all I'll ever need, the sweetest flower, the strongest seed. Until the stars fade from above, I'll cherish you with endless love. One heart, one rhythm, one dream, forever together, forever in love. Sunset colors paint your face like heaven found its sweetest place. Every smile you send my way turns ordinary into to yesterday. The island breeze begins to sway, carrying our hearts away. With every touch and every kiss, I know there's nothing I would miss. No need for promises too grand. Just hold my heart, just hold my hand. Love grows stronger day by day in every little word we say. Let's stay just the way we are, close together, near or far. No changing hearts, no changing dreams, just you and me beneath moonbeams. When the world keeps spinning fast, our gentle love was built to last. The old record softly plays songs that carried brighter days. Your laughter dances through the night, filling every star with light. Even when the rain appears, we'll wash away our doubts and fears. Like the ocean meets the sand, we'll always find our way again. Every heartbeat knows your name, every sunrise feels the same. Love was never meant to hide, it blooms when standing side by side. Soul has shown me why true love never says goodbye. With every wave upon the sea, you're still the only one for me. Let's stay just the way we are, guided by our brightest star. Through every season, hand in hand, we'll write our story in the sand. Forever faithful, forever true, my heart will always belong to you. The breeze keeps singing, the waves keep flowing, our hearts keep beating. One love, forever growing. The morning sun rose on your gentle smile, like golden waves stretching for miles. You held my hand without a word, the sweetest promise I've ever heard. Though the road may call your name and life may never stay the same, take a little piece of me, like the tide belongs to the sea. Every heartbeat whispers low, some loves are meant to grow. No matter where tomorrow starts, we'll always meet within our hearts. Wherever love may lead your soul, may sunshine warm your every road. If the night feels cold and long, remember you'll always be my song. Though the distance keeps us apart, You'll forever live inside my heart. The old guitar still softly plays songs that carried brighter days. Every melody reminds me still, some dreams are stronger than our will. If lonely tears should ever fall, listen for my gentle call. Like the ocean finds the shore, love returns forevermore. Stars above will light your way, even through the darkest day. Hope will bloom like flowers in spring. Love can heal everything. Wherever love may lead your soul, may sunshine warm your every road. If the night feels cold and long, remember you'll always be my song. Though the distance keeps us apart, you'll forever live inside my heart. Dance with me inside your dreams, where nothing is quite as hard as it seems. Leave the sorrow with the rain. Love will find us once again. Every sunrise paints the sea, just the way you painted me. With every breath, with every sigh, our love will never say goodbye. Wherever love may lead your way, I'll be loving you every day. Across the mountains, through the sea, your heart is always home to me. Until the stars stop shining above, I'll keep believing in our love. Wherever you go, carry my heart, one rhythm, one soul, forever in love. The evening breeze carried words through the town, trying to pull what we've built down. But when I look into your gentle eyes, I find the truth beyond the lies. The moonlight dances on the quiet sea. Your loving smile still comforts me. No distant voice can change what's real. Only our hearts know what we feel. Let the wind carry down away. Our love is stronger every day. Hand in hand we'll stand as one, long after all the talking's done. break this flame. Our hearts will never play that game. Through every storm and changing tide, I'll always keep you by my side. The old guitar begins to sing. Hope arrives on gentle wings. Every rhythm calms my soul. Your sweet embrace makes me whole. If the rain should fall again, we'll wash away the fear and pain. Like the sunrise meets the sea, your love keeps setting my heart free. Every promise still feels true. Every dream begins with you. Nothing spoken in the night can steal away our morning light. Let the whispers fade away tonight. Our love is shining pure, morning light. No empty words can break this flame. Our hearts will never play that game. Through every storm and changing tide, I'll always keep you by my side. Come a little closer now, leave behind each broken cloud. When the world grows cold outside, love will always be our guide. Every heartbeat knows your name. Every sunrise feels the same. We'll write tomorrow hand in hand, building dreams that always stand. Let the whispers fade into the breeze, like falling leaves beneath the trees. Our love was made to rise above, held together by endless love. Forever yours, forever true. Every road leads back to you. The night grows quiet. The stars still shine. Your heart and mine. One rhythm, one love, for all time. Across your face tonight, like a gentle dream wrapped in candlelight. I still remember every whispered word, a love so deep the whole world never heard. You held my heart with tender hands, built forever from simple plans. Though the seasons change their melody, your love still echoes inside of me. Every breeze still calls your name. Nothing in this world feels the same. If love can find its way once more, I'll be waiting like before. For sunrise. I'll still believe in forever in your eyes. The records spin those old sweet songs, taking me back where our hearts belong. Your laughter dances through the air like island winds that always care. Every heartbeat keeps a flame. No one else could love the same. Though distance paints the sky with blue, every dream still leads to you. Stars above refuse to fade, holding every promise we made. Love may bend but never break. Our hearts still move like ocean waves. Forever in your eyes, I found my home. Even when we're apart, I'm never alone. Your love is a river flowing through my soul, healing every broken place, making me whole. If tomorrow brings another sunrise, I'll still believe in forever in your eyes. Hold me close beneath the evening sky, where broken hearts can learn to fly. Every kiss becomes a memory, every memory sets us free. Love is stronger than the pouring rain. It always finds its way again. I'll treasure every moment we've shared, because true love never disappears. Forever in your eyes, I'll always stay. No matter how the seasons drift away, your gentle love remains my sweetest song, the place where my heart is always belong. When the morning paints the golden skies, I'll forever live inside your eyes. Forever yours, forever true. One heart still loving you. You smile with the warmth of the morning sun. Many believe we were meant to become one. Every little whisper felt honest and true, until the silence slowly pulled me from you. The flowers still bloom where we used to meet, but lonely echoes now walk these streets. I held on tight to the dreams we'd made, watching our forever gently start to fade. Oh, still I don't regret the love we knew. Every heartbeat led me back to you, though the truth arrived You're still the comfort I never want to leave. Though goodbye came without a sound, pieces of us are still around. Every sunset paints your name, even if tomorrow won't be the same. Oh, love can bend but never disappear. Its sweetest song still lingers here. With every sunrise, hope survives, keeping forgotten dreams alive. Promises in the rain keep falling down, like little memories all over this town. I gave you my heart without disguise. Now I'm learning strength through tearful skies. If love returns on a softer day, I let my heart find its own sweet way. Maybe someday our paths will cross, beyond the sorrow, beyond the loss. No bitter words, no blame to hold, only a story of love retold. The ocean carries yesterday away, while hope brings life to a brand new day. Every ending teaches hearts to grow, like gentle rivers that always flow. Promises in the rain still softly shine, turning yesterday into tomorrow's time. Though my heart remembers every embrace, hope still wears a gentle face. I'll keep believing love remains, like sunshine after summer rain. The wind still sings, the sea still knows. Love finds its season, and gently grows. Golden sunsets fade into the sea, but your gentle smile still shines on me. Every promise whispered in the breeze lives forever with the swaying trees. When you held my hand beneath the stars, love erased the distance and the scars. Though time has carried us apart, your melody still plays inside my heart. Every wave keeps calling out your name, though tomorrow may not be the same. If destiny should lead you back to me, our love will bloom like flowers by the sea. Always my heart your laughter gently in my ear. Though the road has turned another way, I still believe in love each day. Every sunrise paints a brand new sky, teaching broken hearts how to fly. No goodbye can silence what is true. Every song still brings me back to you. Love may rest but never fades away. It finds a brighter dawn another day. Always my heart, wherever you may go. You're the sweetest love I've ever known. Like island winds that softly touch the shore, I'll keep loving you forevermore. Even through the tears that fall tonight, love will always lead us to the light. If tomorrow brings another chance, meet me where the palm trees dance. Leave behind the fear and pain. Let our hearts begin again. With every beat the music softly flows, like a garden where forever grows. Hand in hand beneath the sky so blue, my soul still sings its love for you. Always my heart, forever you'll remain. Like sunshine after gentle rain. No matter where this life may lead, your love is everything I need. Until the stars no longer fill the skies, I'll keep your love alive inside. Softly the night whispers your name. The rhythm carries our love the same. Forever near, forever true. My heart still belongs to you. I saw you smiling in the evening glow, moving with the rhythm, gentle and slow. A peaceful spirit shining in your eyes, like the morning sun across tropical skies. Every little word you softly say chases all my lonely clouds away. Your loving heart feels warm and true. Every road keeps leading back to you. When the sweet breeze calls your name, my heart begins to dance again. Every heartbeat finds its place, wrapped inside your warm embrace. You're my island heartbeat, soft and strong, the melody I've carried all along. Hold me close beneath the moonlit skies, where forever lives within your eyes. No matter where tomorrow may start, my heart. The ocean sings its timeless song tonight. Stars are glowing with a silver light. Your gentle laughter fills the air, turning every moment into prayer. Though we've known both joy and pain, love still falls like summer rain. Every tear has helped us grow into a love the whole world knows. Like the waves upon the shore, I keep coming back for more. Every sunrise makes me see you are home and peace to me. You're my island heartbeat, soft and strong, the melody I've carried all along. Hold me close beneath the moonlit skies, where forever lives within your eyes. No matter where tomorrow may start, you'll always be the ribbon of my heart. Let's leave the worries far behind, follow where love is kind. Hand in hand we'll face the dawn, knowing true love carries on. Every note the music plays wraps us in its sweet embrace. Through every season, near or far, you'll forever be my shining star. You're my island heartbeat, warm and free, the sweetest part of destiny. When the morning kisses the sea, your love is all I'll ever need. Until the last wave meets the shore, I'll keep loving you forevermore. Sweet reggae dreams, soft harmonies, one heart, one love, forever together. The evening breeze is calling softly, carrying whispers across the sea. Your tender smile still lights my soul, like a guiding star that makes me whole. We dance beneath the island sky, sharing dreams as the hours passed by. Every heartbeat found its place, wrapped inside your warm embrace. Though the clouds may hide the moon, morning always comes too soon. If our love is meant to stay, it will find another way. Hold on to love tonight, don't let it fade away. Through every tear and every brand new day, your gentle touch still lives only plays the songs that filled our golden days. Every melody reminds me still, love is stronger than time ever will. If the rain should fall again, we'll wash away the hurt and pain, like rivers flowing to the sea. Our hearts can find their harmony. Every star still shines so bright, leading lonely hearts tonight. Hope is never far away. Love has words the heart can say.
Oh, to love tonight,
Don't let it fade away. Through every tear and every brand new day, your gentle touch still lives inside my heart. No distance could ever keep us apart. When the sunrise paints the sky above, we'll find our way by the light of love. If tomorrow brings another chance, meet me where the palm trees dance. Leave the sorrow with the tide, let forgiveness be our guide. Every promise we once knew still feels honest, still feels true. Love was never meant to end, only heal and rise again.
tonight, forever we'll believe. In every dream our hearts can still achieve.
Through every storm we'll stand as one, until the setting of the sun. With every beating dove above, we'll always find our way through love. The sea keeps singing, the night keeps glowing, our hearts keep believing, love keeps growing. When the daylight fades into the sea, your gentle smile comes over me, like a whisper floating on the breeze. You bring my restless heart to ease. Every moment spent with you feels like morning kissed with dew. Your tender voice, your loving touch, I've never needed anything so much. When the world feels cold and gray, your love lights up my way. Every heartbeat softly knows where the truest feeling grows. Hold me in your healing arms tonight. seabirds across the sky. Stay with me until sunrise. Hope is shining in your eyes. No more lonely nights alone. Your sweet love has brought me home. Together we'll face every storm, keeping each other safe and warm. Every heartbeat sings the same, forever calling out your name. Hold me in your healing arms tonight. Fill my world with your gentle light. Every promise, every dream is sweeter than it used to seem. Side by side until time is through, my heart will always belong to you. Softly the ocean calls, moon keeps watch above. One heart, one rhythm, forever healed by love. Morning sunlight warms your gentle smile, making every heartbeat stay a while. Like the ocean meeting golden sand, peace is found whenever you hold my hand. Every whisper carried by the breeze brings my restless soul to perfect ease. In your eyes I found a place to stay, where love keeps shining every day. When the stars begin to light the sky, I know our dreams will never die. Every moment, every kiss we share tells me heaven placed us there. Right here beside you is where I belong. You're the sweetest melody in every song. When the world keeps turning far away, your love gives me a brighter day. Hold my heart beneath the moon above, forever wrapped in the warmth of your love. Island breezes gently call our names, carrying sparks into brighter flames. Every sunset paints the sea with gold, like the stories only true hearts hold. Though the seasons come and go with time, your loving spirit still feels like mine. Every dream begins with your embrace. Every tomorrow starts with your face. Your gentle voice is all I hear. Every step, both near and far, leads me back to where you are. Right here beside you, I'll always remain. Through every sunshine, through every rain, our love will bloom like flowers in spring, growing stronger with everything until the stars no longer shine above. I'll forever live inside your love. Stay close, stay near. One rhythm, one soul, forever in love. The morning sun is shining on your face, like heaven found its favorite place. Every smile you send my way turns the darkest skies to brighter days. Your gentle touch calms every fear, like sweet melodies only my heart can hear. From the very first time our eyes met, you're the finest love I've ever cared. When the island breeze begins to blow, it carries all the love we know. Every heartbeat softly sings of the joy your presence brings. Loving you feels like home to me, like waves returning to the sea. Every kiss is warm and true, every dream begins with you. No matter where this life may roam, loving you will always feel like home. The moonlight paints the ocean blue, every silver wave reminds me of you. The old guitar begins to play our favorite songs from yesterday. Though we've known both tears and smiles, love has carried us every mile. With every sunrise I still believe you're the only love I'll ever need. If tomorrow brings another dawn, our hearts will keep on holding on. Through every season, hand in hand, together forever we'll always stand. Loving you feels like home to me, like waves returning to the sea. Every kiss is warm and true, every dream begins with you. No matter where this life may roam, loving you will always feel like home. every promise, every prayer reminds me that our love is rare, like flowers blooming after rain. True love always lives again. Loving you feels like home each day. No storm could ever wash away. Your heart's the rhythm that I know, the sweetest place my soul can go, until the stars no longer shine above. I'll always cherish our endless love. Forever yours, forever true. One heart, one love, just me and you. Shades of gold, just like the stories that our hearts still hold. Every little smile you left with me still drifts like waves upon the sea.
I hear your laughter in the summer rain, a gentle melody that calls my name. Though time has carried us apart, your love still lives inside my heart.
Every star reminds me why
True love never says goodbye.
though the seasons come and go, some feelings never let us go. If tomorrow finds your heart again, meet me where the blue tides end. We'll leave the lonely nights behind and let forever change our mind, like the sunrise kissing the sea. Your love will always rescue me.
The old jukebox plays our favorite tune, while moonlight dances through the room.
Every chord brings memories near, filling silence with hope instead of fear.
The island breeze still speaks your name, though nothing feels quite the same. Love may wander
For a while, but always returns with a sweeter smile. Hold my hand beneath the stars.
love can heal the deepest scars.
Every heartbeat softly knows where the truest feeling grows. If tomorrow finds your heart again, meet me where the blue tides end. We'll leave the lonely nights behind and let forever change our mind, like the sunrise kissing the sea. Your love will always rescue me. Let's write another chapter now, without the tears or broken eyes. Only honest hearts and open skies, reflected in each other's eyes. With every rhythm slow and true, my soul keeps reaching out to you. No matter